Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing a super healthy and filling vegetable oats soup recipe. A healthy, filling and nutrient dense meal to include in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make healthy oat soup, I have taken 1/3 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. I prefer to use old-fashioned rolled oats because they are less processed and they are high in fiber. Next, I am using 2 shallots. Shallots, I prefer to use them for their iron and folate. They are also a good source of antioxidants. A small green chilli which I have finely chopped. This is about half of a medium sized green chilli. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. 4 garlic cloves which I have finely chopped. The vegetables I am using are 1/4 cup carrot. This is a medium sized carrot finely chopped. 1/4 cup green peas. 1/4 cup baby corn. This is 3 baby corn finely chopped. Instead of baby corn you can use corn kernels or any other vegetable of your choice. 1/4 cup beans. This is about 7 to 8 tender beans finely chopped. So altogether I have taken 1 cup of mixed vegetables. Now with regard to vegetables, you can use any vegetable of your choice which is available in your locality and is in season. You can also use green leafy vegetables of your choice. I am heating my sauce pot with about 2 to 3 teaspoons of wood pressed coconut oil. Instead of wood pressed coconut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oils of your choice like wood pressed groundnut oil, mustard oil or even A2 Desi ghee. So I have added about 3 teaspoons of wood pressed coconut oil. Remember that healthy cooking is all about using the right quality of oils. So try to use wood pressed oils in your diet for your better health. And once the oil is heated, lightly swirl the pan and then reduce the flame to the lowest. Into that I am adding in the chopped garlic cloves. Lightly saute the garlic. This will help to infuse the wood pressed coconut oil with the garlic flavor, which will help to have a nice garlicky flavor to the vegetable oat soup. And once the garlic starts to turn light golden brown in color, I'm thinly slicing in the shallots. Give it a good stir. Shallots are a good source of iron and folate, hence I prefer to use them in my recipes. However, if you don't have shallots at hand, you can use 1 to 2 teaspoons of finely chopped onions instead of shallots. And once the shallots are transparent, add in the finely chopped green chilli and give it a good stir. Next, add in 1/3 cup old-fashioned rolled oats and lightly fry the oats on low flame. Frying or soaking the oats is ideal to help remove the phytic acid content in oats. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors which may prevent nutrient absorption. So it's always ideal to either soak the oats or roast the oats before cooking. So I'm lightly roasting the oats for about 1 to 2 minutes. Remember, the flame is on the lowest. And 2 minutes later, I'm adding in the vegetables. So I'm adding in all the vegetables. Give it a good stir. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a good stir. And allow the vegetables to saute along with the oats for about a minute or 2. 2 minutes later, I'm adding in 1.5 cups of water. Give it a good stir and cover and allow it to come to a boil. While it is getting boiled, I'm freshly grinding half teaspoon whole black peppercorns. Increase or decrease black pepper as per your taste. And once the black pepper is ground, I'm keeping it aside. The addition of freshly ground black pepper in the oats vegetable soup will give it an amazing flavor. So try to use freshly ground black pepper powder. Let's check on the oats. Okay, now the soup has started to boil. At this stage, I'm reducing the flame to the lowest and I'm allowing the oats and vegetables to get cooked for about 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. 5 to 7 minutes later, open the lid Give it a good stir. I'm just checking whether the vegetables are cooked. So the vegetables are nicely cooked. Into this I'm adding in half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Give it a good stir. You can increase or decrease black pepper and green chilies as per your taste. Turn off the flame and I'm adding in 1 capful or about a teaspoon of unpasteurized organic apple cider vinegar. When you're using apple cider vinegar, make sure that you're using the vinegar which has the mother. The mother is actually the healthy gut friendly bacteria. Instead of apple cider vinegar, you can add in juice of half of a lemon. Now I like my soup to be slightly on the thicker side. Hence I prefer to use 1.5 cups of water. But if you want to have a thinner soup, you can add another half cup of water. So you can use a total of 2 cups of water if you like your soup to be slightly thin. Once it cools down, the soup will slightly thicken and my vegetable oats soup is ready to serve. So I'm going to transfer to a serving bowl. And lastly, I'm garnishing it with just a pinch of crushed red chilli flakes. And my healthy oats vegetable soup is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy oats vegetable soup and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.